Hi everyone, welcome back to a hashtag junk journal book review, JJ book review. So we're getting closer to spring and Easter. So I thought for sure people might want to be looking for Rabbit or Easter or springtime books. So I'm bringing you Peter Rabbit Giant Treasury. It says the tales of Peter Rabbit, Squirrel Nutkin, Benjamin Bunny, Two Bad Mice, Mrs. Tiggy Winkle, Mr. Jeremy Fisher, plus The Tailor of Gloucester and the Pie in the Patty Pan by Beatrice Potter with her original illustrations. So this is a nice vintage book. So let's take a measurement. So this book measures 8 and looks like 5/8. And then it is 11 1/4 tall. So this is a little bit larger book. So here's the back. This would make a beautiful, Easter junk journal. So let's take a look here. And really nice end papers on this one. And the paper is really thick. Okay, this is by Dairy Dale Books. And 1980. So this is a 1980 edition. So let's take a look. Oh, look at these. I love these the pictures with the story next to it or the words. So these are really cute. These would make really nice collaging. So, you could tear it out and collage with it and then use the words with a story too. This story has kind of a little border on it. I would like to make a squirrel journal. I think they're so cute. Here's Benjamin Bunny. So let me show you a close-up of the illustrations here. Really cute. Very, very cute. Very vintage illustrations. Really cute. Love this book. Oh, the magpie. Look at this one here. Just really beautiful. Beautiful pictures in here. And there we are. So let me take a look at the spine here and see if this is... No, these look like they're glued in, so you would have to cut the paper, your page here, and either use it sideways or, put them together. So, yeah, love this book. It's really, really, really cute. So if you're looking for some Easter, springtime, vintage pages, book pages, this would be really neat. All right, thanks for watching. Okay, bye-bye.